Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. One of the things that the late Monsignor Dan Santa Maria, one of our former parish priests, taught me was to cook steak. Meron siyang secret recipe and ingredient na itinuro sa akin. Nevertheless, cooking steak is not just when you throw the meat to the pan or to the grill. The cooking process begins from the buying, the thawing, preparing, seasoning, up to the method of cooking. Tinuro niya po sa akin iyon. At lagi na lang niya sinasabi sa akin dati, be generous with your seasoning. Walang lasa pag kulang sa asin. At alam niyo po, napaisip at napareflect ako doon. Have you ever tried eating any ulam without salt? Hindi po ba ang sasabihin natin ay walang lasa, kulang sa asin? Pero once na nilagyan na natin ng asin at maayos na ang timpla, sinasabi natin, uy, ang sarap na, okay na. Bakit hindi natin sinasabi, ay okay na, lasang asin na? Dear brothers and sisters, if the salt remains to just be a salt, it is useless and has no purpose. But the salt is meant to mix with others. It must be shared with others, and it must give itself to others. Kaya po sabi ni Jesus sa ating ebanghelyo, you are the salt of the earth. And He is like saying to us, you must share your lives to other people. You are meant to mix with others. And you must be a seasoning to other people. And you know, this is very evident in the life of the saint we are commemorating today, Saint Barnabas. According to tradition, he is one of the early Christians and prominent Christian disciples in Jerusalem. Sabi pa, he took missionary journeys in order to spread and preach the gospel of Christ to many nations, even at the expense of his own life. Scriptures has it that Saint Barnabas even sold his properties and his possessions, then gave the proceeds to the apostles for their mission and ministry. He was a man for others. He was a salt for others. Si Saint Barnabas po ay naging asin para sa maraming tao. He offered himself for the love of Christ to the point of losing even his very self in the process, just like a salt. Dear friends, our lives are meant to be blessed, broken, and shared with other people. We do not just live for our own selves. If we will not be shared, we will just be tasteless salts and hidden lights that are useless. Thus, all of us must make use of our saltiness and mix them with other people. We are meant to give the world its flavor. We are to season the world with our talents, and we are to give taste to the community who is slowly losing its palate for meaning. Like Saint Barnabas, let us be generous with our seasoning. Let him be our inspiration for today. Amen.